So you are applying again for the study visa for the academic training.
Yes. Yes.
So you have appeared before also.
I gave this test two times. Actually, I just got results 3 days ago. Actually, 4 days ago. So, like last two times, it was 6 band.
So you are lacking in which module basically?
Reading and writing.
Reading and
Writing.
writing, both the modules. Okay. So you have taken this training from here only or somewhere else previously?
No, I did YouTube mostly,
Okay. So you have
and
taken your personal
that's
training.
yes.
Okay. So are you working somewhere or like doing anything?
I'm working with Marriott Executive Apartments, Navi Mumbai,
Mm-hmm.
and
Be
it's
little
been
louder. Actually,
almost
it's very
eight
low. The
months.
voice little louder. Mm-hmm.
Just a minute. I'll switch the mic. Can you hear me now?
Right. Yes. Tell me. Hmm.
So I graduated in 2021. Then I had a chance to work with Mumbai Cricket Association,
Okay.
and I worked there for 6 months, hardly 6 months. Then I went to USA for my internship. I was there for 1 year, and now I got back in August. Now I'm working with Marriott Executive Apartments.
So
Company
where
is
are you
same,
from currently
just the
residing?
job is different.
Okay.
I live in Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Yes.
Okay. So Harsh, let's start with the reading module today. Please maintain one register any notes to write down everything. Now see, beforehand I'm telling you two things really play a very pivotal role if you want to get good scores in IELTS. Okay?
Yes.
First are your vocab words. You have to be very strong in your vocabulary. And second are the strategies because see, IELTS is a technical English, right? You have to be very smart, you have to be very meticulous in applying the strategies because hardly you have 40, like 1 hour and 40 questions to attempt, right?
Yes.
So let's start with a reading module today. Now already you are aware of the structure. Okay, I'm just briefing you about the structure. Academic reading. Now everything I'm going to write in the chat option side by side. Please note it down. Reading is of
Yes.
60
Just allow me
minutes
to get my book.
Right. Okay.
Uh, yes.
Okay. So reading 1 hour 40 questions. Already you are aware two sections are there in academic. Section 1
Yes.
13, section 2 again 13, section 3 again it's here 14
14
questions.
questions.
And here each section comprises of one text means one passage each you will get.
Yes.
Here one text means the passage. Now coming to the task types, what task types they can give you. First, just understand, then I will take these task types one by one and will tell you what type of strategy shall we apply in all these task types. Okay. If we go, first comes your true, false, and not given. That is the more trickiest one. Then yes, no, not given. Third, we have matching type of questions. Under matching type of questions, we have three types of exercises. That is under matching. Matching features, matching heading, and matching information. So these three task types are under your matching types of questions. Okay, matching features, matching heading, and matching information. Then we have the last task type, that is the completion type of questions. Under completion type, we have 7 type of exercises. They can give you summary completion, note completion, table, flow chart, diagram labeling, MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice question. And 7th is your short answer question. Okay, so these are all under your completion type of questions. Now,
Yes.
this is a basically task types that are covered under these 3 sections. Okay, true, false, yes, no, the matching, features, heading, and information, and these are the completion. Now, coming to the most vital part is the strategy. Now, see, if I go for the your true, false, yes, no, matching features, matching heading, and all the completion, we follow one strategy. Why? Because in all these exercises, sequence is there. Sequence means chronological order is there, right? See, maybe up and down, 2, 3 paragraph, but somehow sequence is there in all these exercises. But there is one
Yes.
exercise that is different. That is your matching information. Which one? Matching information.
Matching
In
information.
matching information, sequence is not there. So to save our time, we follow another strategy. Okay, now please start writing. Have you noted all these, what I have written here?
Yes.
Okay, now start writing. Put the heading strategy for all the reading exercises except matching information. Make a star and write except matching information. Matching information, I will give you another one. Don't follow this one. Okay, so what have you written?
Strategy for all reading exercises except matching information.
Information. Now write down step 1. Step 1 should always be read the instructions and follow them well. First step. Because see, as you already aware, in IELTS, either you will get 1 or straight away 0. It is like this. No negative, no half marking. So please adhere to the
Yes.
instructions very well. Don't cross that limit. Second step is you will read question number 1 first. After reading question number 1, you will go to paragraph 1. You will annotate the paragraph. I will teach you what is annotation after this. Annotate the
Yes.
paragraph and then mark the answer. Same way, you are going to read question number 2. Then you will go to the next paragraph, annotate it, and then mark the answer. And this will go with the rest of the questions. So I mean to say, in all these exercises, except matching information, we will follow from question to paragraph. I have seen what the students are doing. They are first reading the paragraph and then they start solving the questions. Please don't do that. It's really a waste of time. Okay? Always go from question to paragraph. This is the right method if you want to complete your 40 questions in 1 hour. And one thing more,
Yes.
when you are going to read the question, first thing is please just understand what the question is asking you. Relate the meaning into your mind. And second thing is pick from the keywords of the question, what the question is asking you. See, either you are going to search for the same words, or the next case is you have to search for the synonyms,
Synonyms.
right? This is called paraphrasing. Already you are aware.
Yes.
So please follow this strategy. But don't apply this one to the matching information, because in matching information, as I told you earlier, sequence is not there. So if you're going to follow this strategy, then you have to read the passage again and again. Okay? Now write down the next heading. Strategy for matching information exercise. Now step 1 is same. Read the instructions. That will be the same for this also. Next step. Now here you are going to read the paragraph first. Now this is vice versa. You are going to read paragraph first,
Paragraph first.
annotate the paragraph, and then mark the answer. Same way you will read para 2, annotate it, and then mark the answer. Okay. Why? Because in this sequence is not there. So we have to save our time. So in this we follow from para to question. Okay. So in all the exercises we are going from question to paragraph, right? But in this we
Yes.
will follow from para to question.
Paragraph to
Only in this
question.
one exercise.
Yes.
Clear, Harsh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, are you aware of the hyphenated words here? What are hyphenated words?
The one with the dash.
You know how they are counted in aisles?
Yeah, they get counted as one.
Yes, they are counted at one words. And you know what are contracted words?
No, not aware.
Now, here, please note down, because these things you should know. Contracted words are called short forms. They are not tested in academic writing. Please don't use them. So, contracted word short forms are not tested in writing. Please avoid them. Like we used to write na I apostrophe M, I apostrophe double L. Please don't use contracted words in your writing. In speaking, you can use, but don't use them in your writing.
Yes.
Now, let us understand what is annotation strategy. Now, see what happens when a paper is in front of us. What we do, we start skimming and scanning, right? We start reading rapidly
Yes.
because we have to finish. And what's the drawback? We are not able to get the correct answer sometimes, right? So, to curb this problem, basically,